深深相信始終會將某年某夕，如此信息，亦讓你跟我傳遞，一把勁將這理想繼續再尋覓，悠悠長長繼續前行，不獨去驚怕，驚驚跌跌碰碰踏去，不必多看他，兜兜浸浸多一日，雖不說一話。不想清楚分析太多真心亦而假，但有一個夢不會死，記着吧。無論雨怎麼打，自由仍是會開花。但有一個夢不會死，記着吧。來自你我的心，記着吧。但有一個夢不會死，記着吧。雨怎麼打，自由仍是會開花。但有一個夢不會死，記着吧。來自你我的心，記着吧。
好，喺台上面有一個係要留低嘅，我哋大家熟悉嘅。而家咧就有請雨傘運動學運領袖、前學聯秘書長周永康 Alex， 記錯咗你個名同埋讀錯你個名都行過嚟 ，Alex 同我哋分享。
Now, please welcome Alex Chow, former student leader of the Hong Kong Umbrella Movement.
We stand today at a moment of profound confusion. How do we unify ourselves when the meanings of Hong Kongers has become loose, fractured, and uncertain? How do we truly honor who died in 1989 and those who carry those memories ever since? I vividly remember my middle school teacher guiding us through the history of June 4th, encouraging us to attend the vigil, watch documentaries, and speak out. I recall clearly the first time I held a candle in Victoria Park, feeling both small and powerful, profoundly shaped by the solemnness and the weight of history, by a shared humanity determined never to let the truth fade into nothingness. June 4th is not only China's history, it's Hong Kong's history, it's the world's history. It binds us across generations, politics, and ideologies. It reminds us about the essence of life and death, our aspiration for democracy, our yearning for truth, and our determination never to surrender our dignity to authoritarian brutality. Yet today, as Hong Kongers scatter across the globe, how can we stand together? How do we remind each other that we are still part of the same struggle? Today, tonight, standing here as a member, a survivor, a person who is still fighting from the Hong Kong's democracy movement, I call upon us to hold space for grief and courage, reflection and resilience, hold space to reconnect and actively rebuild our community, ensuring our history of struggle is passed forward to ourselves who must never forget, and to future generations who will carry on our fight for dignity and freedom. We are not here merely to mourn, but to reaffirm our humanity and dignity. The candlelight of memory may eventually dim, but our commitment never will. 信其實無需多講啦。我相信出得嚟今日喺度嘅香港人都依然自覺係香港人嘅朋友。我相信我哋會繼續行落去嘅。我相信我哋今日依然企喺度，就係證明我哋依然會屹立不倒。我哋不畏強權，我哋係唔會被摧毀嘅。我哋係依然會繼續行到見證香港光復、煲底見嘅日，係咪啊？加油香港人！香港人！香港人！光復香港！光復香港！
又有另外一位大家好熟悉嘅朋友 ，Victor 蔡維紀先生係多倫多出色嘅鋼琴家同埋畫家。自從2020年開始，就對我哋呢個會，尤其是係香港人道援助基金嘅支持，各種嘅活動都從未間斷。佢哋今日又會為我哋彈奏感人嘅樂曲。
Ricker Choi is a concert pianist and a visual artist. Ricker will perform The Story of Hong Kong, a melody of 5 songs that are dear to Hong Kongers.